The elixir of youth, potential of certain compounds in promoting healthy aging and longevity. As humans continue to search for the elusive elixir of youth, the field of anti-aging research has gained significant attention. While no definitive fountain of youth or universally proven anti-aging chemical cocktail has been discovered, scientists have identified several compounds that show promise in promoting healthy aging and longevity. In this video, we will explore some of these compounds and their potential effects. 1. Resveratrol. Resveratrol is a natural compound found in red wine, grapes, and berries. It has been associated with anti-aging effects and improved cellular health. Research suggests that resveratrol may activate certain genes called sirtuins, which are involved in regulating cellular aging processes. Additionally, resveratrol exhibits antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, potentially protecting against age-related diseases. 2. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, NAD+. NAD+ is a coenzyme involved in various cellular processes, including energy metabolism and DNA repair. Levels of NAD+ decline with age, leading to cellular dysfunction. Supplementing with NAD+ precursors, such as nicotinamide riboside, NR, or nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN, is believed to support cellular function and promote healthy aging. Preliminary studies have shown promising results in animal models, suggesting that NAD+ supplementation may improve age-related decline. 3. Metformin. Metformin is primarily used as an oral medication for managing type 2 diabetes. However, it has also garnered interest for its potential anti-aging effects. Metformin affects various molecular pathways associated with aging, such as AMP-activated protein kinase, AMPK, and mTOR. Animal studies have demonstrated that metformin can extend health span and lifespan, although the precise mechanisms are still under investigation. 4. Rapamycin. Originally developed as an immunosuppressant, rapamycin has shown anti-aging properties in animal studies. It inhibits the mTOR pathway, which plays a crucial role in regulating cell growth and metabolism. By modulating mTOR, rapamycin has been found to extend lifespan and delay age-related diseases in various organisms. However, the long-term effects and potential side effects of rapamycin require further investigation before considering its use for anti-aging purposes in humans. 5. Curcumin. Curcumin is a polyphenol derived from turmeric, commonly used as a spice. It possesses antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have suggested that curcumin may protect against age-related diseases by reducing oxidative stress, inflammation, and cellular damage. While its potential benefits for healthy aging have been observed in preclinical studies, more research is needed to establish its effectiveness in humans. Conclusion. While ongoing research in the field of anti-aging continues to explore new frontiers, it is essential to acknowledge that no definitive elixir of youth has been discovered. However, certain compounds like resveratrol, NAD+, metformin, rapamycin, and curcumin have demonstrated potential in promoting healthy aging and longevity. It is important to note that the efficacy and safety of these compounds for anti-aging purposes are still being investigated, and further research is necessary to understand their full potential and appropriate usage. Therefore, it is always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before considering any supplements or interventions for anti-aging purposes, as they can provide personalized advice based on individual health needs. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts. It really helps me to improve and create more content you'll enjoy. And if you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up and hit the like button. And don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.